Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. I hope everyone is safe and healthy. In this vlog, I would like to share with you all my morning to evening routine on a weekend. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to never miss any notifications. Cleaning and arranging the groceries takes the major part in my weekends. How about you all? So let's begin the day with making some fresh breakfast. So I thought to make some Sri Lankan stringhoppers using the roasted rice flour. For the measurements, I will give you in the description box. Please check the link below. So here I have added 2 cups of roasted rice flour and some salt, and add water as much as you need. Meanwhile, I'm going to make a egg gravy to go along with the string hoppers. And for that, I've taken one medium sized onion and half a size of a tomato and two green chilies. Slice them. After 5 to 7 minutes, the string hoppers are ready to serve. Add rest of the vegetables to a bowl and then add half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, and a half teaspoon of turmeric, and a half teaspoon of cumin powder. And finally, add a piece of turmeric. Mix all together and keep it aside. And then, as usual, heat the pan, add some oil, and then add a few mustard seeds, few cumin seeds, and one dried red chili, and then add the mixture and then stir it well. Add half a cup of water to the mixture. Give a quick mix. Close it and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. Add more water if needed. And now I'm adding 3 tablespoons of thick coconut milk. And a tip to make it more tastier, add a pinch of sugar. When the gravy started boiling, add 2 eggs on the time. Close the lid and cook for about 5 minutes. And finally, add a half teaspoon of cumin powder and a half teaspoon of pepper powder. That's it. The egg gravy is almost done. And it's time to serve. On the weekend, the weather was quite good, so I thought to go for a walk with my kids. That's my son Zain. And this hot chocolate drink I got from my dearest friend. So thought to give a try on it. And let's make a cup of hot chocolate. Boil 2 cups of milk on a pan. And then add 2 cubes of chocolates. Mix it well. Easy peasy. Here you go. The hot chocolate, it's ready. And this is how we enjoyed our evening with some snacks and a cup of hot chocolate. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, give a thumbs up. And I need all your valuable comments in my comment box. See you all in the next video. Till then, take care. Subscribe my channel to get more updates and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.